Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om. So, we saw this Rama plus Os. Sashti Ekavachana. Sixth case singular. We saw Rama plus Siya. Rama plus not Siya. Rama plus Ngas. Ta ngasi ngasam inat syaha. Because of that we brought Siya for this and we added. That's all. Rama Siya. This is 6-1. Then Rama plus Os. We brought in Osicha. Osicha. What did Osicha say? Even for Os. What happens even for Os? Not Dirgha. Ekara takes place. Ekara from where? Bahuvachane Jalyet. Bahuvachane Jalyet Osicha. Kapil Sutra. Whatever happened in Bahuvachana Jalyet, even when Os follows, it will take place. What takes place? Bahuvachane Jali Eth. The same Eth will take place in Os when Os follows also. So we brought in Osicha and made Rame. Osicha Rame. Now Echo Yavayavaha. Echo Yavayavaha. We bring in Ramai plus Os. We add Ramayos. Ramayos. Then Sasashoruhu Kharavasaniya Visarjaniyaha Ramayoho. Ramayoho. This is a 6-2. Now 6-3. Rama plus what is 6-3? Rama plus Am. Nas Os Am. Rama plus Am. Now here A plus A. Dirgha Rama. Akasavarni Dirgha Rama. But this is not the form we want. This is 6-3. This is not the form we want. So we bring in the next sutra. Hrasvanadhyapo nut. Hrasvanadhyapo nut. Hrasva nadi apaha nut. Rasva nadi apaha. Rasva nadhyapaha. Eko yanachi nadhyapaha it becomes. So Rasva nadi apaha. One word. This is fifth case. Nut is first case. Rasva nadi apaha. Nut. So Rasva nadi apaha is fifth case. Nut is first case. So the sutra says when Rasva nadi and apaha proceeds, for the sixth case Nut takes place. Okay. Rasva means short character. The word ending with short vowel. Nadi means it's a name. Use Trayaksho Nadi. There is a sutra which we will see later, which brings in this Nadi Sanya. It's a name. It's a particular name given to a particular type of a word. Then Apaha. Apaha means feminine. Ap, tap, chap. Tap, chap, dap. It's a feminine case ending. We saw this in what sutra? Nya Pradipadikat. Ni Ap Pradipadikat. With Pradipadikat, Ni and Ap will be added. That Ap is here. Okay, so we have Rasva or nadi sanyaka or abanta it will become abanta followed by something, this will get a nut. Okay, this will get nut. Now, where will nut come? Before, after, full. Nut is a nakara, ukara, takara. So, it is not a anekal sarvasya. It is a adyantau takitau. In nut, takara is it halantyam. Ukara is it upadeshe. So we have only nakara. We have only nakara. Titvat, since it is takara it, titvat adyantau takitau. Adi antau tit kitau. If it is tit, it will be in the adi. If it is kit, it will be in the anta. Now we have tit. So nakara will come in the beginning. Here we have Rama plus nakara plus am. Rama plus nam. Rama plus nam. According to the Karan Sutra, we have Rama plus nam. At this point, we have another sutra. Nami. 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 Nami is Ikaranta, therefore, seventh case. When nam follows. The sutra says, when nam follows. What happens? This akara anta anga gets a dirgha. Akaranta anga plus nam. This becomes a dirgha. Akaranta anga gets dirgha when followed by nam. We have akaranta anga followed by nam. Therefore, Rama nam. Rama nam. Because of nami, you have Rama nam. Okay? Now, Rama nam. In this place, we have Atkupvangnum Vyavaye Api, a sutra which we long forgotten. We studied before. Rama nam. Atkupvangnum Vyavaye Api, Refa, Akara, Makara, Akara, nam. When Refa is followed by Nakara, but still if it is separated by at, ku, pu, etc., the nakara will become nakara. A is in at, makara is in pu, pavarga. A is in at. Therefore, this nakara will become nakara. Rama nam. This is what is 6, 3. Ramasya Ramayoho Ramanam.
Ramasya Ramayoho Ramanam.
Ramasya Ramayoho Ramanam.
Ramasya Ramayoho Ramanam.
So we have Ramasya, Ramayoho, Ramanam. Now we have seventh case. Seventh case, Rama plus Ni. Rasva. Ni. Rama plus Ni. Rama plus Lashaku atadhite. Lashaku atadhite. Lashaku atadhite. Because of that, Nakara gets dropped. We have Rama plus E. A plus E. Ad gunaha. Very good. Ad gunaha. We have Rame. A plus E. Ekadesha E. Because of that, we have Rame. This is 7-1. 7-2 again Ramayoho. Rama plus Os. Rama plus Os. Osicha. Rame plus Os. Ichoyavayavaha. Ramai plus Os. Sasashuru Karasane Vasarjaniha. Ramayoho. Ramayoho. This is 7-2. As in 6-2. Whatever sutras you applied for 6-2, same sutras you apply for 7-2. Now we have the final form, final declension. Rama plus 7-3. Sup. Rama plus Sup. Sup Pakara Halantyam. So Rama plus Su. This is not Upadesha Janunasika. We need Su there, Ukara there. Don't drop it with Upadesha Janunasika and make it Sakara. So we have Rama plus Su. This is Su, not Su. Su. Rama plus Su. At this point, we have one new sutra. We have one new sutra. Rama plus Su. What sutra? We have a sutra here. Rama plus Su. Not new sutra. Bahuvachane Jalyet. Because of Bahuvachane Jalyet, Rama become Rame plus Su. Rame plus Su. We have Ramesu. Ramesu. At this point we have new sutra. Adesha Pratyayoho. Adesha Pratyayoho. Adesha Pratyayoho. Adesha Pratyayoho. Adesha Pratyayoho. It is Oho. Therefore, it should be dual case. Dual case of 6th or 7th. So here, this is 6th case. Adesha Pratyayoho. What does the sutra say? The we bring in words from other sutras. In kubhyam parasya e/hu. In kubhyam parasya apadanta kubhyam parasya apadanta ishpi pratyaya sakara. So adesha pratyayo says when in or ku is followed by sakara, which is not a padanta, which does not come in the end of the pada, or it should be a pratyaya, and it should be a pratyaya. That sakara should be of a pratyaya. Then what happens? This becomes shakara. This becomes a sakara, becomes a murdhanya shakara. Murdhanya shakara. Now we have Rame. A is in. In means what? What is in? In means Ivurulru Evo I ouch Hayavara run. Till run you have in. Ku kavarga kakagaga na. Okay? When this follows, we have Rame plus Su. A is in. A is in. And the Su is neither Padanta and it is also a Pratyaya. It is not a Pradanta and it is a Pratyaya. All the two class, Apadanta, Pratyaya, it fits in. So, this Sakara we make it a Shakara. Rameshu. So, Adesha Pratyaya says Apadanta Pratyaya Sakara becomes Shakara when preceded by in or ku. In or ku. So we have Rameshu. This is 7-3. So we have Rame, Ramayoho, Rameshu. Rame Ramayoho Rameshu.
Rame Ramayoho Rameshu.
Rame Ramayoho Rameshu.
Rame Ramayoho Rameshu.
This is how all the akaranta shabdas, the words, the pratipadikas, the base words ending with a hrasva akara will be. All the declensions will be in the same way, except for the refa. If refa follows, nakara becomes nakara. Except for this, the other rules are same. When the refa does not exist in the base word like Vama, Shiva, then you will have no nakara. The Atkuppangnum Vyavaya CP will not function there. That's all. Otherwise, all the other forms will be same, similar. Ramaha Ramo Ramaha.
Ramaha Ramo Ramaha.
He Rama He Ramo He Ramaha.
He Rama He Ramo He Ramaha.
Ramam Ramo Raman.
Ramo Ramo Raman.
Ramena Ramabhyam Ramaihi.
Ramena Ramabhyam Ramaihi.
Ramaya Ramabhyam Ramebhyah.
Ramaya Ramabhyam Ramebhyah.
Ramat Ramabhyam Ramebhyah.
Ramat Ramabhyam Ramebhyah.
Ramasya Ramayoho Ramanam.
Ramasya Ramayoho Ramanam.
Rame Ramayoho Rameshu.
Rame Ramayoho Rameshu.
This is what is the declensions. So we will use the same formula. See, if it is R, Krishna, Shiva you will not have Atkupvangnum Vyavayapi. Bama you will not have Atkupvang Vyavayapi. But Krishna, R, forget about Shakara. R also is a trigger there. R also is a nimitta. Because R Rivalnayo Mita Savarni Vachyam. We saw that. R Rivalnayo Mita Savarni Vachyam. Again, for Rikara and Refa also, Savarnya should be accepted. So because of that, the Refa or Rikara, whatever follows, you have Shakara Shakara, Nakara Nakara transformations. So this is the Akaranta Pullinga Shabda. The case endings for the word ending with A in masculine. The case ending, the case transformations for the nominal cases for word ending with A in masculine. We will see similar forms for E, etc. We will see this. Harihi Om.